Before Revenue IO, VAT IT never really had a systematic approach for dealing with leads, and this caused a lot of strife in the business. Using Revenue IO with guided selling, we're able firstly to enable a flow of leads per salesperson that is manageable, number one. And number two, we're also able to give much more concrete guidance as to how we should be reaching out to these leads so that you're not just using the spray and pray approach. Using guided selling, we were able to onboard entry-level salespeople where previously would have taken us 6 months. It's now taken us 3 to get them to be fantastic sellers producing great results. With the help of guided selling, we have seen a 10% increase on meetings booked month on month, which is a great result for us because not only did we see fantastic adoption of the product, but we also saw a great effect on sales. I believe the future of business is in these technologies because you are designing the architecture to enable your salespeople and your entire business to flourish.